Tell me, how are you feeling?
Neha, as usual, very happy, feeling calm, relaxed.
Awesome. How was the intensity earlier? How is it now?
Intensity was 9, which has come out to 3 now.
Awesome. And which area of your life you were struggling with, Nagalaxmi?
So the area of a lot of work personally, personally and officially. And in between, I have my exams going on, so a lot of thinking about exams. How do I study and all those things? So now I have clarity. So just now priority is examination, so I will concentrate on exam.
Awesome. Congratulations for being an emotional freedom master.
Thank you.
Who would like to share next? How are you feeling?
So I'm feeling much calmer um, and content, right? And that like whatever is happening is the right thing that is happening right now, and a little bit of like more excitement or positive attitude to plan the future, you know. So things like, yes, one is like accepting that there were certain things that I did not pay attention to, or I let it fall through the cracks. So there is acceptance there, but it's not like you're feeling sorry for yourself. It's like, what can I learn from it, and what is it that I can do better in the future? So that's